When you ponder the supreme reality, the source of all existence, the force behind all these happenings, often named God or the Supreme, you're likely confronted with the question, where is it? Show me. This channel is dedicated to exploring those profound questions of our existence, why we are here, and the unchanging reality beyond life and death. In our quest to uncover the supreme, unchanging truth behind all these happenings, we must scrutinize the tools we have. Today, we'll dive into an investigation of our sensory system. In this video, we'll explore 4 ways our senses actually deceive us and reveal a shocking truth about the human body. Even within the confines of our observable universe, a staggering 95% of its matter and energy remains unobservable. According to the Center for Astrophysics, Harvard and Smithsonian, as well as the European Space Agency, our current model of the universe suggests that around 70% is dark energy, 25% is dark matter, and a mere 5% is normal matter detectable by our senses. This means our sense organs can only perceive around 5% of the universe, while the rest is beyond our sensory reach, shrouded in darkness. Before delving deeper into an astonishing truth about our human body, according to science, let's examine how our eyes perceive external objects. Number 1. Limited wavelength detection. The human eye can only detect a narrow band of the electromagnetic spectrum, specifically between 380 and 740 nanometers. This means we cannot see ultraviolet or infrared light, which many animals can perceive. Additionally, we are blind to phenomena such as mind waves. We can't see how thoughts or mind waves move with our physical eyes. This limitation can shape our perception of reality if we don't investigate further. Number 2. Perceptual variability among creatures. Different creatures perceive the same object differently. Different creatures experience the world uniquely, perceiving the same object in various ways. Our sense organs are significantly less powerful than those of many animals, such as tigers, cats, eagles, owls, and dogs, which primarily rely on their senses due to their limited thinking abilities. In terms of sensory ability, many creatures surpass human beings. Therefore, we cannot claim that our perception is entirely accurate. Number 3. Misleading appearances. We perceive the sky and ocean as blue, but they are not inherently blue. This is due to how our eyes and brain process light. Number 4. Motion perception. We cannot see the individual blades of a fan when it spins at high speed. Instead, we perceive a circular blur. Similarly, our auditory range is limited, as we can only hear frequencies between 20 Hz and 20,000 Hz. We are unable to hear sounds outside this range. A shocking truth about the human body. According to data from science, approximately 99.99% of the human body is composed of empty space. Although it is largely composed of space, energy, and with a little volume of matter, our bodies appear solid to our eyes. We are unable to see all these with our eyes. Similarly, the universe is predominantly empty space, with very little volume taken up by substantive particles. This emptiness pervades the material world, holding the potential for creation. Spiritual teachings often refer to this emptiness or seed form with immense potential. If you possess spiritual knowledge, you will understand this. Now, let's confront a startling question. Are we truly empty coming from emptiness? Does this imply that we are nothing? The answer, according to Advaita Vedanta, is no. Advaita Vedanta, a profound system of investigation with its own experiences, offers insights. Adi Shankaracharya quoted, "Something does not come out of nothing," in his commentary on Brahma Sutra. We'll explore this further in upcoming episodes. The human potential. Humans possess unique qualities: intelligence, choice, and the ability to transcend limitations. These capabilities are not found in other living beings. If we rely solely on sensory perception, it will be the biggest mistake for the entire human race. We need to employ our advanced tools in proper ways in our lives, in our service as human beings, and finally, in the search for the ultimate unchanging truth, the underlying background of the ever-changing universe. True satisfaction lies in recognizing our potential and employing it wisely. Swami Vivekananda emphasized the manifestation of divinity that already exists within us. By awakening this inner spirit, we embark on a journey of true self-discovery and fulfillment. Thank you for being with us. Join us in this profound journey to uncover the truth and manifest the divinity within.